In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable third-party cookies on Safari. We'll be focusing on the iPhone and iPad. It's important to note that Safari doesn't offer a direct switch for enabling third-party cookies. However, by adjusting a few settings, you can allow most third-party cookie functionality. Following these steps will help ensure that websites relying on third-party cookies can operate smoothly on your device. Let's begin by opening your Settings app. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Apps, tap on it, and then find Safari. This is where we will make the necessary adjustments to your browser settings. Next up, we need to adjust Safari's privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the section called Privacy and Security. Here, you'll see an option labeled Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Go ahead and turn this option off. This step is crucial because it allows third-party cookies to function more effectively. Remember, this adjustment helps websites work as intended by preventing Safari from blocking necessary cookies. Now, let's ensure that cookies aren't being entirely blocked. In the Safari settings, keep scrolling down until you see Advanced. If it's available on your iOS version, tap on it. Here, make sure that Block All Cookies is turned off. Disabling this option ensures that you're not accidentally preventing any cookies that websites might need to operate. This little change can save you a lot of troubleshooting later on. With those settings adjusted, it's time to give Safari a fresh start. Open the app switcher on your device. You'll see a list of apps currently running. Find Safari, and then swipe up on it to close the app completely. This step ensures that any changes you made take full effect. Reopen Safari once you've done this. By restarting the app, you're letting it load with the new settings in place. You can now try accessing the website that was giving you trouble. Most of the time, these steps should allow third-party cookies to function properly. However, keep in mind that Safari's privacy system, known as Intelligent Tracking Prevention, might still limit some third-party cookies. Some websites, especially those using older cookie methods, may not work perfectly even after these changes. If you notice that any setting is grayed out and you can't adjust it, it's time to check another area in your settings. Go back to the main settings menu and look for Screen Time. Tap on it, then navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, ensure that your Safari privacy settings aren't being restricted. This is important because these restrictions can override your manual adjustments. Enabling third-party cookies on Safari requires a few workarounds, but following these steps should help you achieve the desired outcome. Remember that while allowing third-party cookies can improve your browsing experience, it might expose you to more tracking. Always balance functionality with your privacy preferences. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit.